Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to recover your Messenger account if you lost your login details. First of all, open the Messenger app and then tap forgot password. Next, enter any email or phone number you remember. Choose where you received the reset link. Next, set a password and log in. Sometimes you might lose your account or forget your password, so this is how you guys can recover your account. And if none of that helps, then you will have to use find your account on Facebook's login page if Messenger can't locate it. Safety tip: remove old devices from your Facebook security settings. Quick fix: use find your account on Facebook login page if it's Messenger can't locate it. And that's it. Subscribe for more, guys.